is this weirdo? Who is this weirdo making YouTube videos? It's me, Neetu. Hi, my name is Neetu and I live in Udine, Italy, but I'm originally from Toronto, Canada, and I started a new YouTube channel. Freyja and Me is a channel that I started and where I have three series. I know I look like an idiot right now, but anyway, I cannot do math. I just started following my passion and making more YouTube videos. One is called Freyja the Cat. That airs every Friday and is about my cat Freyja, who's so cute and I love. And I'm not a cat expert, but I am a Freyja expert, and I love watching Jackson Galaxy and My Cat from Hell and just learning about cat behavior. And basically on this channel I talk about cat behavior and things, and I share what I learned about cats and the products I used, how I take care of my cat. Sometimes I do reviews on cat products as well. Freyja! Hiya! Here she is! Ciao, Freyja! She's a 5-year-old European domestic cat. They call them European short hair. Sorry, baby. She doesn't like to be picked up so much. So this is, I'm sorry. So, she's my baby, basically. Okay. Another series that I do is every Monday and Wednesday, and that's called My Dolce Vita, and that's about my life here in Italy or wherever I am, because I do travel a lot, and I often go to Austria. Last summer I went to Portugal. I lived in Tokyo for 5.5 years. I lived in London for 8 months. I'm from Toronto, Canada, so it's basically about what's going on in my life and my travels. And if you like learning about travel, if you want to know what it's like to live in Italy or to go to Austria, which is nearby. Last summer I went to Portugal. And if you're interested in food, because I love food and I talk a lot about food in my vlog, then I think you'd like My Dolce Vita. Another series that I have is a beauty series, and I call it Makeup and Cosmetics, and it is every Thursday that I upload videos for that. But I'm a normal person who really loves makeup, and I always thought, like, I'm an English teacher, but if I had another job, I would love to be a makeup artist or just do makeup. Yeah, I'm passionate about skincare and makeup, and I don't have the best hair, so I try my best with my hair. Trust me that normally if I don't take care of my hair, this is my hair on a good day. Normally it's a disaster. My hair is a disaster, but I'm not bad with the makeup. I feel like I have a talent for it. I like beauty, so I just like to share that. I mean, I'm the kind of person who goes to the supermarket and tells everybody everything. Like, I will talk to the cashier for an hour. I'm that kind of person. Sometimes my husband gets a bit embarrassed by me. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just kind of like that, and I'm really honest too. Like, sometimes I'm like TMI with strangers, but yeah, I'm sorry, I don't have a filter. I'm really a person that does not have a filter and can be really too blunt sometimes. I know everyone's not like that. My husband's not like that, so I'm like that. Yeah. Inspirations that I have are eat your kimchi. Oh, I do love K-pop and J-pop. I did live in Tokyo, right? So I do have K-pop playlists and J-pop playlists, and an Italian music playlist. If you're interested in what music's like, or pop music is like in Italy, and what's hot in Italy, then you might like my channel, because every other day I just keep looking for new videos and adding them to my playlists. And another inspiration is Graveyard Girl. I'm a huge fan of her. I consider myself to be a member of the Swamp family. And another inspiration is April Justin, April Athena 7, April Justin TV. Those are the main three that I watch. A friend of mine is Hover from Hover's Jelly. And yeah, I do watch a lot of vlogs and a lot of other beauty gurus and Bubs is another one. Yeah, Bubs is another big one that I watch too. And I just love meeting people from all over the world. I've lived in a few different countries. I speak Japanese and Italian and English. English is my native language. I just love to connect with people, and I would love it if you connected with me, basically. So thank you so much. And in Italy, it's really hard to get a job. I actually want to return to Toronto with my husband. If you want to know more, just ask. So I'm not a cat expert, but I'm a Freyja expert. Aww. She is a semi-outdoor indoor cat. It's really hard for me to get her to stay indoors. Anyways, yeah, I'm not a cat expert. You might notice from my videos that I love making faces. I'm really weird. I'm not a normal person at all, but I know that there are other non-normals out there. So, hi, that's my friends. I would love to be your friend.
And maybe there are other people out there who are like me. That's it.
If you watched this whole thing, thank you. Bye.